Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going pretty good. Okay. Compared to how I was doing yesterday and the day before and last week, I'm doing pretty good. So, today I'm going to be showing you how I seal my diamond painting. I'm loving diamond painting, y'all. So I just sealed this one about an hour ago. They said let it cure completely after you seal it. They said 30 minutes, so it's been over an hour. So I'm going to let it cure for about a couple days before I put it back in my portfolio. And I was scared it was going to make it cloudy and dull the shine, but it didn't. It enhanced it. I don't even know if y'all can see anything. The sparkle is amazing. Okay. So I'm getting ready to seal this one, so I'm going to let y'all see how I do. I cut real close to the edges. Cut all that border and all that legend and color chart and all that stuff. I cut it off because once I'm through with it, I don't need all that. So I'm going to seal this one to keep the beads from popping off or falling out, and to keep between the spaces between each bead is still sticky under there, so dust can form under there and stick to it. So I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to seal it. So let me lower. Oh, this is what I'll be using. Got this from Amazon. It's called Union. Is that Union? Diamond Painting Finish. It looks like this. I bought the 2 to a bottle. Okay. Why am I doing this? I got these magnifiers. Okay, yes. Portable bottle, sponge brush head, fast curing, permanent protection, safety material, stay shiny. And it did stay shiny. It didn't dull the finish at all, which I'm so happy. I was hoping it wouldn't get cloudy. If anything, it made it even more shiny. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to show this. I'm going to lower this so y'all can see. Can I just angle it? Yes. Okay, y'all can see what I'm doing. So I don't shake this up. They say to squeeze out a small amount. Did y'all see that? And then just, it's a brush. This is a sponge. Just dab it on there. We used to use white shoe polish. We used to polish our gym shoes for gym to keep them nice and clean. We used to do this. Okay. Oh, first I had mashed these beads down. Make sure I don't have a roller or a rolling pin. I just mashed them. So they stuck on good. And I'm going to turn the picture around and do it again. I'm pressing hard. Make sure these beads are in place and being sealed in place. And I'm not getting way to the edges, but I will. Did they come out? Yeah. And there's no smell to this at all. I was hoping there wouldn't be no strong chemical smell, because I didn't want to go outside and do it. I don't smell anything. Okay, now I'm going to turn it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to turn this. Okay. Now I got to touch the edge. The edge is good. I'm not even sure if you're supposed to seal this and then put it in a portfolio, but that's what I'm going to do. That's why I'm going to cure it for a couple days. Make sure it's good and cured and it won't be sticking to the plastic sleeve of the portfolio. Okay. Okay, this is sealed. And these beads are really mashed down. Put glue gun on my arm. Close this up. A couple beads came off. Okay, I'm gonna let this set for at least 30 minutes. But there's no stickiness on here at all. This is the one I did an hour ago. So, and it's still nice and pliable. See that? Okay. So, I'm gonna go. Well, this is mainly what I want to show y'all. How I seal my diamond painting. Now, I'll put a link in my description box for this stuff. Diamond painting sealer from Amazon. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.